well, we are back and it is day 2. But today I came out to a trout lake, and I know I said yesterday's spot was a trout lake, but this is really a trout lake. They stock the absolute crap out of it. I'm rigging up the rods right now. I'm out here solo, and we're gonna try to catch some fish today. Oh, we got fish. Oh, it's a big fish too. I just missed him again. It's a big fish. Come on, take it. He just missed it again. Take it. Come on, take it, take it, take it. Big trout. Got it. Oh, I just lost him again. Big trout, big trout. That's a solid 15-inch fish right there. He missed it like 4 times. Oh, that's a big trout. Let's go. Okay, back down. That's a big ass trout right there. Oh, I hooked him on the side. No. No, no, no. Fish. Fish. Come on, take it, buddy. Take it. Take it. Take it. What are you doing, bud? Oh, he keeps missing it. What are you doing? Take it. Got him, boys. Yeah, boys. Let's go. Got him. Let's go. Heck yes. Got him, boys. Okay, well, there he goes. I didn't get to show him off to y'all because he fought back in the hole. But, oh, we're on the board. Got him, son. Got him, son. Heck yeah. Okay, that's a big fish. I'm going to keep that fish. Yeah, I'm going to keep that fish. That's a big stalker right there, boys. That is a beautiful fish right there, boys. Alright, well, I am back to the apartment, and we are going to throw this trout in marinade and cook it up with some rice tonight, and we're going to have a great meal tonight. For this marinade, we are going to be using some soy sauce, sesame oil, honey, salt and pepper, butter, lemon, ginger, and garlic. We're going to throw all these ingredients in a bowl. Once they're all in there, we're going to mix that up great. And I'm just gonna throw this trout in a little bag and then throw a marinade in there as well. We'll mix the trout in with that marinade really well. We'll throw it in the fridge and we will let that thing marinate for probably 2 to 3 hours. All right, so next up, we are gonna take this trout, we're gonna throw it in the oven. This is gonna bake for 20 minutes at 300. When it's done baking, we'll pull it out. This rice has also been going. We're gonna plate all of this up and we're gonna enjoy an awesome wild trout dinner. All right, well, dinner is ready, and oh boy, is this looking good. We've got, pretty simple, we got some rice, we got our 2 trout fillets there, we got a little lemon, so I'm going to do the magic touch here. So that is looking really good. Man, that's good. I always love to marinate pretty much anything whenever I can. Yeah, rice is good too. The reason I like to do that with marinating is it just improves the flavor on every level. There's certain things, for example with elk or morel mushrooms, where I won't marinate it, but for something like this, just a stalker trout, love to marinate it, and that marinade really is strong on that trout, and it's good. Just clean meat, and it's honestly, it's got a little pinkness to it. Like the color of the meat is pink. A lot of times you won't get that color on stalkers because their meat is just all kind of grayish white, you know, but that lets me know that this fish has been in there for a while, because when they're eating a natural diet, that's what'll stain their, or not stain, but that's what'll turn their flesh, you know, a color like that, like a pinkish. Whereas if they're straight out of the stock ponds, they'll just be a white meat. Well, hope you all enjoy this video. It is always fun to do a little catch and cook, and especially get myself some dinner like this. But I will see y'all next week. I'm out.